banji nyo nange bansibirako eyo ku deportation center okumala essaawa entonotono kubanga nasanga waliwo narrative gye bataddeko naye kyanyamba okulaba embeera bannayuganda gye bayitamu. So gwenna ali eyo you can do something. Nayogeddeko ne bakulembeze bannange era naffe tusala amagezi gonna getusobola. This is not an NUP thing. Si kya NUP, si kya people power feka kya buli omu, buli munnayuganda yenna ali eyo, buli mukulembeze aliyo ne ba business people. Teweetaaga kumanyika sometimes kuba abamu bayinza okugamba no bakitudde political, naye gwe mu mutima gwo osobola okureaching out ku bantu abali eyo. Esimu za contacts we ziri, oyinza okukozesa just information eyo no reaching out no baka abaana boyamba okomawo. Mbadde mbagamba nti twayogeddemu ne bakulembeze bannaffe, leader of opposition n'ababaka ba parliament, twa agrees nti buli MP at least akomyewo omuntu omu. Obubaka bwe bumu ne tubusindika eri abakulembeze baffe ba mayors n'abalala ku mitendera egy'enjawulo. Kino tukikwataganye nga bannayuganda. I'm sure bwe tubeera n'omwoyo ogwo tujja kukomyawo bannayuganda bannaffe because lives of Ugandans matter. And I mean, this message goes also to the non-Ugandans, all Africans. You know, help our people. If you can't help by buying them tickets, at least help by creating as much awareness as possible. Namwe abali wano mukyogere ku mba ne social media mukiteekeyo, twamanya ku mbeera yammwe ku social media, so mugikozese mulage embeera y'abannaffe abali eyo, nkakasa olunaku olumu bajja kusobola okubeerayo. Of course ne government guno mulimu gwammwe. Mba nfuba nnyo obutasoundinga angry, mba ngezaako nnyo okwogera bino ebintu mu buntu bulamu, naye maani mutunde bannayuganda embeera gye balimu. Bano si just bawagizi ba muntu mu bannayuganda. So do the needful. Muswaleeko, mukomyewo baganda baffe, mukomyewo bannyinaffe. Kale mutuchallenging, mukitwale nti munchallenginze, mukitwale nti mutuchallenginze, mubakomyewo abaana babeere bulungi. Sijja kwongerako bingi, mwebale nnyo, mwebayize ddala kumpuliriza.
Something in English.
Maybe Bobby can put it in English.
No.
Yeah, I want to welcome you sisters back. I was there, I saw the situation we were going through. So I'm glad that at least a few of you are back. It should give hope to others that they will also come back home. I want to thank all the people that have played a part. Honorable Madam Kunyinji, our secretariat headed by our Secretary General, Comrade David Lewis, Comrade Map Media, all the leaders that have come to our aid to see at least that these friends, these sisters are back. This is just only, you know, a drop in the ocean. There are so many of our sisters and brothers that are stuck there, and each one of you can play a role, either by helping repatriate them back home or by creating awareness. The more people know, the more people will help. So make sure that everybody comes back home. We can do it. I've spoken to our various leaders, our parliamentary team. We've asked them to, each one of them at least, return a sister or brother. We've also spoken to our leaders in the district and all our friends in the business community. You don't have to do this publicly if you think it will be seen as political. But if there's any time, if there's ever a moment where we must stand together and do something noble together as Ugandans, it is now. So I'm appealing to all of you leaders, no matter your political shade, let's do this together. Let us bring our people back home. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. First of all, I want to appreciate these women and young girls who decided not to sit home and watch their families die of hunger. You did what you could do as women, and we all know that women these days are the breadwinners of most homesteads. We know that women are doing the best they can to raise their children and feed them and dress them and educate them, and they will do whatever they can to make sure that the children get everything they need. I want to thank you for not sitting down and for trying your best. The system failed you, the people you trusted failed you, the agencies that took you failed you. It is not your fault. You did your best. It is just that our system is not helping our people find better means of raising their families. I will send my message to our government. I know that there are some laws out there which have been put in place to protect the workers who go and look for greener pastures out of this country. We want you to put them in action. We want you to, even if there are any adjustments you need to change, if there are any amendments you need to make, these are the laws you should be amending. I don't know what you're looking for from the other laws, but these are the most urgent laws you must be looking at. The laws that protect our women who go out to look for jobs. The laws that protect human beings, Ugandans, who go beyond our borders to look for greener pastures. You all know that these people send money home. They pay taxes. They look after families. And they should be protected wherever they go. If you can't give them jobs, which you have failed to do, protect them wherever they go to look for jobs. That's all I can say. Thank you.
So maybe for the record, the people have arrived today at 12. Naye ncha tulina group endala gye tusuubira era ne ku Tuesday ndowooza tulina group endala gye tusuubira. Tujja kuba nga tubakomyawo mu phases. So aba contributing, when you contribute money, then we're able to buy some tickets, and then the group comes. That's how we're going to be handling this until all of them hopefully are able to return to Uganda. Yeah, I think that's it.
Thank you very much.
And then maybe as the grace
Subire mu kifo